Hello. On this video, I'm gonna try to explain a situation where we need to import a huge amount of data that is stored in different Excel files. So I faced this trouble many times in the last months, where to import all this bunch of Excel files, I need to write a Python line for each file. So I write this file path for this file, and then the other for the other, and so on. And then I need to run the command to read the Excel file, and this was demanding from me a lot of admin work as well. If for some reason the Excel files change over the time, so going into the, if I want to change the name for say, so I need to go on top and look exactly where this file were uploaded and then change manually. So this takes a lot of time. And then a few weeks ago, through experimentation and some testing, I find a way where I wrote this Python script, which as you can see is shorter and looks like a function. On this script, I define an Excel file, which is I call files names. And on this, as you can see on this column, I got more than 700 rows. And I'm not loading, of course, these 700 files on this Python script because they might have some different features that I want to split in different data frames. But it saves me a lot of time for creating this uh, blank list of data frames. And then I use some for loops to go inside the files name defined previously. And then through an ID, I choose which Excel files. As you can see here, the extension says XLXX. That allows me to import, like say, for using this script, I usually upload like 50 files. So it's a big number. And then I made some filter criteria with some its conditions if it requires. So it's just applicable to my case, but you might need to adjust this in order if you want to um, select just specific files that have this category. And then the files also can change over the time. Maybe they came with more additional rows on top, or maybe they come with extra columns. So it's not a huge change, but still the structure have been changed a little bit. So you might need to write some additional code lines in order to address the change. And even though you need to add like which is the ID of this Excel file, so you can identify in the whole data frame. And finally, you append the data frames and you group all of them. So with this simple script, I've been maybe saving a lot of time, more than 10 times. And this script is scalable. So I was doing this project with different Excel files. So I just changed the criteria and then I was able to upload the, the information. Well, this is the this tool. In the next video, I'm going to explain you how we can um, use the data we have previously manipulated using Python if we want to use this data in another software, say Power BI, for example. I've been uh, grouping transforming the data in Python, which is very powerful, but then I need to visualize the data. And then back to really, I don't know, a year ago, I was downloading the Excel file after transforming and then uploading to Power BI. But I found a way where we can use a database that comes with Windows, which is called SQLite. And then I create an inside database. I'm going to show you in the next video how we can like transform many of these data frames that we have been previously grouped and transform through this script. And then we use those data frames relations in another software like Power BI. See you next time.